to another video. Yes, I am kind of zoomed in a little bit because I want to give a demonstration this morning on a product that I have received to try. This is from the company Luximia, and if you guys recall, I did a video a while back. I think it was either beginning of this year or kind of like toward the end of last year on the gua sha stone and doing all the massage, and then also well, it was quartz facial roller. They are the ones that sent that to me to try, and I did that video. And then they were very gracious this year to reach out to me again and said, hey guys, we have this new product. It's like a super fruit high octane vitamin C serum for your face. Would you like to try it? And I'm like, yeah, okay. I think my viewers will appreciate me trying it and be a guinea pig for you guys, and try it out and all that. So anyway, they sent me this bottle. It's organic. It's a vitamin C source, antioxidants, firming, brightening, anti-aging, superfruit youth serum. And I'm going to go ahead and zoom in on this right now. There you go. Hope that you can see it. That's how it looks like. It comes in a really nice, sturdy bottle. It's definitely a bottle. It is closed, and light is not going to go through here. And one of the reasons that you don't want light in your vitamin C serums or any high octane vitamin C potency serums is because light will degrade the efficacy and the strength of the serum. So you don't want any light to penetrate on it. It's got a really nice tight closed little pipette thing over here, and I'm absolutely au naturel right now. I got out of the shower. My hair is not even done. It's just basically dried naturally in its curly form. So I have nothing on my face except for a little kind of lipstick, lip gloss, some mascara, and my eyebrows are done, and that is it. So what I'm going to do for you guys is demonstrate putting this on, but before I do, I'm going to go ahead, put on my specs, because I haven't even put on my contact lenses yet, and just let you know that there is a 30% off code coupon that I am going to be putting the link below. So if you guys want to try it, you guys can go ahead and try it. They were very gracious to send me that, and on top of that, I just kind of looked around their website, and I'm going to go ahead and pull it up again now. Hold on a second. It is luximiabeauty.com, and I believe that they have a sale going on right now, and that's what I want to make sure and check for you guys. Yep, they are having a sale. Now this bottle, and it is, how big is this? Let me see. If I see this size, oh yeah, 1 fluid ounce, 30 mil. Okay, so this bottle right now is going for $29.99. It's on sale. Regular price is $39.99, but as I'm going to demonstrate, you only use a couple of drops. It's very potent, so you don't want to put, slather half a bottle on your face or do anything like that. So yeah, let me get off their website. I just wanted to make sure that I got you guys the latest information, but that's what's going on right now. There's a sale now. There's no guarantee by the time you're gonna view this video that the sale will be going on, but as of now, 4th of July weekend that it is right now, the sale is going on. So once I put this up here, and I'm going to try my best to put this video together and up as quickly as possible for you guys, so you can go up there and hopefully still benefit by the sale. And I'm sure the 30% off code is on top of the sale. So whenever you go to check out and you use that code, it's going to take 30% off of the sale price. So really, really good deal. Okay, so enough blabbing, Maria. So I've got my camera zoomed in a little bit on me more so you can really see, my face, what's going on. I don't have any major outbreaks. Like I said, I just got out of the shower, so this is it, au naturel. And I'm going to go ahead and show you how it's done. I just kind of squeeze it. This is the way it looks like. I'm going to try not to spill it, guys, but it is like a, I would say cloudy kind of cloudy looking formula, as you can see there. It's kind of dark, and it's almost got an orangey kind of look to it, maybe pinky orangey. Now, it smells amazing. It smells like orange peel. It really smells like someone has just been in the room and has just by hand started to peel an orange, and that's one of my favorite smells, guys. So I was very impressed and happy with that smell. Okay, so this is how it looks like on my fingers. It does have that runny consistency, as you can tell. And I'm not going to waste any time on this. I'm just going to warm it up in my fingers. And I'm simply looking at my monitor here, guys. I'm not doing anything drastic. I don't even have a mirror in front of me. I'm just looking down at the camera viewfinder, basically, that's on my screen. And I'm putting and rubbing this ever so gently. It does have a little bit of slip, not too much, but as you put it on, it almost starts to be a little bit tacky. Now this is where I would consider putting this on as your nighttime routine, especially if you're doing a retinol or retinoid. I wouldn't put this on at the same night because it is a high potency vitamin C, and you do want this to work on its own. You just want this to absolutely make love to your skin, as I say. So I'm going to put a little more on my neck. So there it is again. If you can see it there, you see how it's kind of popping in like that. I'm going to put that much, and I'm just going to go down my neck. And again, in the beginning, it just has a really nice slip to it. I really love this smell, guys. It is just so wonderful. And I like to go up like this too, just give myself a little bit of a massage, like that, and get it all in there. I love it, love it. This is indulging myself. This is absolutely indulging myself because this smell, it's just like being in an orange orchard, seriously. Now, there it goes. It's starting to tack up really well now, and that's what I like it to do. I like it to tack up so I know it's going to be on my face. Now, if this were, my nighttime routine, obviously, I would go ahead and put this on and then let it absorb in. I would give it a good, 5 minutes, no more than 5 minutes. And then you can definitely lay down on your pillow. It's not going to transfer. It's not going to, smear on your pillowcase or anything like that. It's just giving me a really nice, you can even see, I don't know if you guys can see that, but as I'm pulling my skin, it almost has a tiny bit of a tug to it. Do you see that? That's how tacky it is. There you go. Do you see that? I'm doing it right now. I'm looking down at the viewfinder and doing it right now. There. And that's how it is. It just stays on there like that. I don't put on any moisturizer after this. This would be my last step, like I said, because I really want that high potency vitamin to get in there. So again, this is a superfruit serum, 5 vitamin E sources. I'm going to try to read, okay, non-GMO, cruelty-free, no artificial, ingredients in it. It does have a 3-month shelf life. So I do want to let you guys know that due to the high potency of it, you do want to go ahead and use this up or use most of it up in that 3-month time, because it's going to start to go down and maybe degrade in potency after 3 months. I plan to kind of use it whenever, as long as I can, maybe even stretch it to 4 months. But I really wouldn't go into the 6-month time frame, because it's probably going to lose its potency and strength. So let me read you guys some of the ingredients here. Ingredients is hopefully I'll be able to pronounce all of this. Phylactis emblica fruit extract. It's got some dubia fruit extract. Gosh, these are hard to pronounce. Rus giabra sumac fruit extract, Aristotelia chilensis fruit extract, some other euterp, oleracea fruit extract, Chamomilla resuscita flower extract. It's got some glycerin in it. It's got some orange peel oil and some grapefruit peel oil, and xanthan gum is the last ingredient in here. So a bunch of fruits, bunch of fruits. These are very exotic sounding, so I don't know, you know, exactly what region of the world these all come from, but it's a big concoction, I'll tell you. It is manufactured, made in Canada. And it's ProCert Organic Systems Ltd, certified organic. Yeah, so I'm like blown away. I've been using this, just to tell you guys, I have been using this for about 2 weeks now. So I wanted to try it out before I gave my review and my impression on it. And so far, like I said, I love the smell of it. I love that it's you know, it's getting not that tacky. Like, this is the time that I would now go to sleep, like lay down on my pillow, because you know, I can feel that it is completely really in my skin right now. It's been absorbed into my skin. So I would feel comfortable, you know, lying down on my pillow and doing all that. So anyway, I'm going to come in again just to show you. You can see by the, you know, kind of like, it does pink you up a little bit, I think. It's a little bit of redness because you can see the work that it's doing. You will kind of get a little bit flushed, I think, when you put it on. And that's natural because that's the vitamin C working with your skin and, you know, getting the blood flow and all of that. But this is it, you know. There you go. I'm just going to show you around. See, I don't even have my earrings on. I have nothing on, guys. This is about as bare as you can get. I am getting ready to put on my makeup because I will be doing more videos today and talking to you guys further on other topics, but I decided to do this one first so that I would be completely bare skin, coming at you guys au naturel and putting everything on. So that is it. All right, guys. Well, that's all I wanted to tell you. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and please give it a big thumbs up and share it to your friends. I'm really appreciating all the subscribers that I'm getting lately. There's a ton of comments being made. I'm really enjoying interacting with you guys. Oh, let me put myself back in view. There you go. Okay. Now I'm in focus, because when I came in close, you know, to show you guys, and I'm backed up, wasn't in focus. Okay, so yes, please share it. Please talk to your friends about it. Try it out. I think this is a great opportunity right now with the sale going on to definitely try it on, and then you get your 30% off coupon, you know, first time customer as it is. And you know, I have no issues with Luximia. They've been really tried and true with me, and very upfront about everything that they want to, you know, send to me, and if it would be of interest to you guys. And I always look at everything that anyone you know, wants to send me, because if it's not something that I know that you guys will be interested in, I will not take it on to, you know, test it out on myself, or waste my time and waste your time to talk about things that are, you know, have nothing to do with, you know, our community, our beauty and health community. And that's what that's all about. All right, so I'll leave all the links below for the coupon and for their direct link and all of that. Feel free to reach out to me if you have any further questions, and I'll try to get those answers back to you in the comment section below if I can. But like I said, I am really liking it. I'm loving it. Would I order it myself? Yes, I would, definitely, after this 2-week mark. I think it's a very potent thing. And like I said, I don't plan to use it more than probably in the 4-month range. And after that, I will have to chuck this bottle and get myself a new one, which I plan to get on my own. Okay? Love you guys, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.